Hey everyone!
Hello!
Welcome back to our next edition of Jen and Bren. This week we thought it would be super fun to make some of our favorite Disney adult beverages. So we're going to start with the Aloni Sunrise. There's a couple versions of this. Obviously this is named after Aulani, but they have some that you can also find throughout the theme parks. So this has 8 ounces pineapple juice, 2 ounces vodka, 1 ounce grenadine, 1 ounce sweet and sour mix, and then you can garnish it with pineapple. I'll write all of the ingredients for the drinks below, and Brenda, my mixologist, will make it really pretty.
I'm always invited for this type of stuff.
This is super fun because this is something you could, like, I want to say they had a version of this at the Polynesian. And I've seen other versions instead of pineapple juice do orange juice, but...
Yeah, a normal Sunrise is orange juice, but Aulani uses pineapple juice, obviously, and then we are doing coconut vodka instead of regular to make it even more tropical. So I have the 8 ounce of pineapple, I'm adding the 2 ounce of the vodka, and then what do we do? Pour that over the ice, it said?
Yes.
And then mix that. And then how much?
I think it was 1 ounce of the sweet and sour, and then 1 of the grenadine to make it pretty.
And mix that. Put this around the outside.
Yeah, this is the trick. You don't want to just like put the grenadine and stir it crazy, because then you'll lose that pretty sunrise mix. When I was on the Disney cruise last December, I took a mixology class, and we did something like this where they made the drinks so pretty there, but we learned about how to make the drinks and about layering them and having a presentation to the drink. Now imagine yourself sitting by the pool.
Yeah. Here it is.
Here's drink number 1.
Drink number 1.
Cheers! Oh, look how pretty that is. Love that. This is in a snazzy rock and roller coaster glass. I love it. So look at like a little sunrise. So I'll put that over to the side.
Drink number 2.
Drink number 2. So our next drink is a pineapple margarita. One of our favorite spots is Cava de Tequila.
Yes.
It's like a little secret, not so secret anymore, tequila bar in Mexico. You walk down into the pavilion and it's immediately to your right. It's this little hole in the wall. They make the most amazing margaritas.
A million kinds of tequila.
Yeah, you can do
kinds.
Tequila flights, margaritas. They also have the, well, in my opinion, the world's best chips and guacamole. Like, amazing. So I found this recipe, pineapple margarita. I thought we'd give it a try. Every time we go, we get something different. My usually go-to margarita there is the classic margarita. Sometimes I like the spicy one. The spicy one is new. They put jalapenos in it. But this one I thought would be delicious too. So it is 1 part tequila, 1 part pineapple juice, 1/2 part triple sec, and 1/2 part lime juice. And this recipe will be down below as well.
I'm using a measuring cup so that you can see all the different lines of where you have to be.
It's a good idea.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Pour it into your little shaker. Shake it up.
And then if you want, you can be festive.
Yes, you can be extra snazzy and put it in your margarita glass from the Mexico pavilion. These glasses are actually made in Mexico. They're gorgeous.
Yeah.
And they're really heavy, so
I don't know what they call it.
they're
like
not super fragile.
Fired or whatever that is.
Look how beautiful that is.
So pretty.
So now even when you're home and you're sad because you're not at Epcot, you can pretend like you're in Epcot because you'll be drinking your cheers, your margarita.
Cheers!
That looks so good. Oh my god, it smells so good too.
So good.
Delicious.
Okay.
Love that one. All right, we're on to our next drink. So this may be a favorite of ours.
This is a favorite.
Yeah, it's called the Lapu Lapu. We call it the pineapple drink because you guys will know it if you have ever been to the Polynesian. It is served in a pineapple. We have the pineapple here on display. We're gonna serve it in our snazzy Polynesian glass. But I think our first girls trip, this was it.
We had a couple of them.
Yes. And then we walked around with our pineapple because after our second one, we were like, let's go check out the Polynesian.
Right.
So they gave us a bunch of napkins and we walked around with our pineapple. It was fantastic.
But that would be fun to make it in a pineapple and have them at home. All you have to do is hollow it out just like you would if you were coring a pineapple.
I don't know if I'm that ambitious right now, but
yeah.
It's okay. We're gonna make the drink.
Yeah.
So if you wanna hollow out your pineapple, go for it. That would be so fun for like a summer party.
Right.
Anyways, I digress.
Okay.
It is 2 parts Meyers dark rum, and I'm gonna put this recipe down below too, and 3 parts pineapple juice. No wait, I lied. 2 parts pineapple juice, 3 parts orange juice, 1 part sweet and sour, and then you top it off with the plain old Bacardi. Love this one. When I think I was there last August, I had to have one. They were renovating the bar upstairs by Ohana, but that's where you go upstairs. You go upstairs. You don't actually have to go into Ohana, but you can sit at the bar. They have some really good snacks too, so it's a fun spot to sit. If you get to the Polynesian early for your dinner reservation, grab a pineapple, grab some snacks. People watch up there. It's a lot of fun. And
the bar up there is really fun.
I do. I love the bar up there. And I love the vibe of the Polynesian up there too. The food is, the whole food. It's my favorite.
Okay, and then on top,
it says Bacardi.
I mean, you can't go wrong with that.
Oh, a little heart. I wish you guys could see this. Let's see, in our little Polynesian glass. I love this.
You can get those at the Polynesian store.
It smells like a Polynesian.
So pretty much all of these glasses you can get at the stores there for where these drinks came from.
Yeah. So it's a good souvenir. So when you're home and you're making these drinks, you can buy snazzy glass.
Yeah.
All right, one more drink to show you. We'll be right back. We have cleaned up from our other 3 drinks. This one is one I really enjoy. You can find it in the France Pavilion. This is great to do with your kids too because they can get like, is it the gelato in France? And the macaroon ice cream sandwiches.
Yep.
So the kids can go and enjoy their treats, and moms and dads, you guys can go and enjoy your treats. This is the Grand Marnier Slushy. It's like a tongue twister for me, I'm sorry. It's a pretty simple drink to make. It's just 1 part Grand Marnier, so I got it that time.
Okay.
1 part vodka, 2 part sweet and sour mix, and 1 part simple syrup. And then you mix it all in the blender, and then you walk around the Epcot France Pavilion with your kids, enjoying life.
We have glass, but they give you the little plastic cups like these to walk around with, so you can take it with you.
Yeah, that's what I love about all these places in Epcot, at least. They're good to go.
Looks good.
Looks good.
Smells good. Okay.
Perfect. So here is our Grand
Marnier.
Thank you. Slushy, where you can find it in the France Pavilion. Here you can make this at home. Oh my goodness, look how pretty all these, we just made these beautiful drinks at home. Dreaming of Disney. All of the recipes will be down below, as well as our social media links. Thanks so much for joining us. Do you guys have a favorite drink in Disney? I know there's a gazillion and one. Leave us a comment below. What would you
Maybe there's one we haven't tried.
I know. Maybe. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
So thanks so much for joining us this time, and we'll see you guys next time.